Jambo Jambo. It's another beautiful weekend that you're having activity after activity after activity, no resting. So today we are going to save our ocean. The good thing about it that you can't believe is going to be an underwater cleanup. It's not common doing underwater cleanup because it takes a lot. You need the gears and yeah, the boat, fuel, like it's a lot. So today I'm going to Watamu to contribute or to save our ocean. It's a bit dark, you can't see me, but hey, it's the small things that matters. We are going to help the marine life and its environment to thrive well for the little space that we are going to have in Watamu Marine National Park. Ta-da! I have arrived here in Gede. I'm waiting for the border guy to take me to Watamu. Yeah, it's 7:13. I've managed. I stayed for like 30 minutes waiting for the matatu to come and pick me up. But hey, we have used like 45 minutes to be here in Gede. And yeah, let's see how the day goes. If I can reach there by 8 a.m. and see if people are still there, because the reporting time was 8 a.m. It's 7:15 now. Let's see. So the guy did arrive, and yeah, this is me arriving in Arocha, Kenya in Tile. And it was my first time being here. The environment was really cool. I was impressed by this place. Look how it's really Arocha, Kenya. It's really amazing to be here. Hi, Samuel.
Hi.
It's another day meeting you after a long time. Where did we meet the first time?
In Bahari office.
Yeah, in Bahari High office. And today we are meeting here in Arocha, Kenya, in Watamu. So what are we doing here today?
Today we are here for cleaning of the ocean. We are collecting some trashes in water, and after see what we have collected, take it to the Eco World and weigh it and see how much kgs we have been collecting.
Yeah, thank you. Is it your first time to do underwater cleanup?
Yeah, this is my first time because I've been doing alone, but with a massive group with the people joining us, this is my first time.
Wow, that's amazing. For me, it's my second time doing it. The first time we did it with our Tiwi BMU in Diani. Wow. And here we go again. Yes! Hi, here with Lucky.
Underwater.
Yeah. Lucky underwater. And Nemo.
Jessica, Nemo.
Karuba, Diana, see Sassy over here. Today we have met up here for a very big event, which is underwater cleanup in the north coast of Kenya. Matthew, it might be the first underwater cleanup, right?
Yeah, in Watamu actually.
In Watamu.
Yeah, so I'm so excited for that.
Wow, thank you.
He's the organizer.
Kudos! That we should have for the support.
Yes. to help us in South Coast.
Yeah,
Yeah, I think that's where I picked the idea of underwater cleanup. So thank you guys for the invite.
Now
you're welcome. Support you and do it for the
Thank you
love
so
of
much.
the ocean.
Asante sana.
Karibu. We are in Arocha. This is how it's looking. You can see how
very
amazing.
beautiful. It's a very beautiful place.
Yeah.
Very nice organization. They do a lot of things, but also ocean conservation. It's one of their main thing, and also birds. Okay, I know they have so many things they do, but I know about the ocean because that's where I will be.
Yeah. So we are going to give you updates on what we are going to do, for how long are we going to spend underwater. Of course, we cannot clean the whole ocean. The space that we are going to clean, it's gonna be a plus to the ocean and for the benefits of the marine environment
and to give back to our ocean because it gives us so much. So it's time to give back the love.
Yeah. How impressive is it to see different organizations, different volunteers from different areas along the coastline, Kenyan coastline, coming together to do underwater cleanup at North Coast Kenya in Watamu, organized by Arocha, Kenya. with my underwater buddy heading to the beach side. We are not yet done. So here with Joey, the ninja girl, and the instructor over here, ready for the activity. As you can see the background, people are ready. We are gonna get to the beach. Excited. And Peter over there is smiling while doing it. You see? You see? So ready, ready, ready. Titty! Ready for this underwater cleanup. Yay! Bye! Being underwater and snorkeling to look for the trash, it was amazing with my dive buddy. Although I did lost her at some point because I never knew I was swimming very fast and she was collecting trash on the other side. During underwater cleanup, you need a bag, a mesh bag, to be able to collect the trash underwater. And this is me carrying the bag for the team that we were. We were 4 of us, and we were to collect the trash and put them inside. That's me showing you the mesh bag because it cannot fill in the water. In the below, it has mesh bag. That is me diving to go check if I can get any trash. At least we got a few trash in the bag, and yeah, you can see how it is. But the park was really, really clean, and we got a few trash. But on the shallow side, that is where the trash was a lot. But I liked how the seagrass did thrive well. There is no disturbation in it. And this is us with Joy from Lock trying to remove the wrapper that was wrapped in between that log. That is how we collect trash underwater. That is the organizer Lucky doing it, giving it to the boat guy. A lot of trash underwater. You see, like there is always trash everywhere on land and in the water. And as participating in these underwater cleaning, it was really, really a blast to the marine life. In between, we did find this stingray. This stingray was not shy. I've never seen this kind of, like through my diving, having over 700 dives, I've never seen a stingray that is not shy as this one. Afterwards, yeah, we finished after 2 hours covering 1.5 kilometer stretch, and this is the amount of trash we collected. You can see how underwater has a lot of trash, but people can say like there is no trash underwater. It's only the floating trash, but hey, there is a lot of trash underwater. Yeah, we did have a car to take it to the Eco World Recycling Center in Watamu, and that is what we did. After taking there the trash, we did weigh the trash, and it was 30.5 kilograms. Imagine all that trash being underwater in a session of 1.5 kilometer stretch. Yeah. Think about it. What Eco World Recycling Center does, it does the recycle of the trash that they have collected both in land and from the ocean or beachside, and it does upcycle or recycle or repurpose those trashes. And we saw different arts made from the trash, which is a good thing to do. Over here, you can see there are plastic bottles, and then they merge like red, blue, creating a pattern with a wall of metal bottles. You can see that up to the end, and then the gate looks like this. This is the whole gate with slippers or flip-flops along the way. See that? It's from Eco World, Kenya. It was really an amazing event to do, and hoping to do more and more in the near future. And thanks to everyone who made this possible, and yeah, having fun together, doing a positive impact. Kindly subscribe, like, share. Thank you for watching.